Creating homemade shampoo can be a fun and natural alternative to commercial products. Here's a simple recipe for a DIY homemade shampoo using common ingredients. Keep in mind that everyone's hair is different, so you may need to adjust the ingredients based on your hair type. Homemade herbal shampoo. 1 cup liquid castile soap, unscented for sensitive skin. 1 cup brewed herbal tea, chamomile, lavender, or rosemary are good choices. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon olive oil or sweet almond oil. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 10-15 drops essential oil, choose scents like lavender, tea tree, peppermint, or rosemary. Optional. 1-2 teaspoons of honey for extra moisture. 1 tablespoon Germol Plus or Optifin. Both Germol Plus liquid and Optifin are popular preservatives used in cosmetics and personal care formulations to prevent the growth of bacteria, yeast, and mold. Brew herbal tea. Steep the herbal tea in hot water for about 10-15 minutes. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Mix ingredients. In a bowl, combine the liquid castile soap, brewed herbal tea, aloe vera gel, olive oil, or sweet almond oil, and essential oil, apple cider vinegar. If you want to add extra moisture, you can include honey in the mixture. Stir well to combine. Pour the mixture into a clean, empty shampoo bottle or any container with a lid. Shake the bottle well before each use to ensure all ingredients are well mixed. Wet your hair thoroughly. Apply a small amount of the homemade shampoo to your scalp and hair. Massage your scalp and work the shampoo through your hair. Rinse thoroughly with water. Follow with a conditioner if needed. Notes: this shampoo may not lather as much as commercial shampoos because it doesn't contain sulfates. However, it effectively cleanses the hair. Adjust the essential oil quantity based on your preference, but be cautious not to use too much, especially if you have sensitive skin. Some people may need an adjustment period when switching from commercial to homemade shampoo. Your hair may feel different initially as it adjusts to the new formula. Feel free to customize this recipe based on your hair needs and personal preferences. Always do a patch test to ensure you're not sensitive to any of the ingredients. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.